Ever pondered what the optimal thumbnail size for YouTube videos is? It's a question that sparked much debate. YouTube's support page might suggest a resolution of 2080 by 720 pixels, but that's not the whole story. It emerges that higher resolution thumbnails can offer a tactical advantage. By providing the algorithm with more data, elements such as text, objects, and faces become clearer. The result? Enhanced video topic recognition and potentially a boost in your ranking. It's worth noting that the minimum recommended thumbnail resolution aligns with HD video standards, clocking in at 1920 by 1080 pixels. But here's the twist. While the algorithm plays a significant role, the end game is catching the attention of the viewer. After all, it's the human behind the screen who makes the decision to click or not. The stakes are high, and the thumbnail becomes your handshake, your first impression, your invitation to the viewer. By aligning with high-resolution standards and leveraging psychological principles, your thumbnail can stand out in the crowd. The aim is to create a thumbnail that is not only visually appealing, but also tells a story, inviting curiosity and enticing the viewer to click. So, to recap, the optimal thumbnail size teeters between the suggested 2080 by 720 pixels and the high-definition 1920 by 1080 pixels. The higher the resolution, the more data for the algorithm, potentially boosting your video's visibility. But remember, it's not just about the algorithm. The human factor is key. Making your thumbnail visually compelling, intriguing, and clickable is the ultimate goal. In this game of thumbnails, your strategy can make all the difference. So, choose wisely, create compellingly, and may your thumbnails always invite the click. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video insightful, and subscribe for more content on mastering your YouTube game. Thank you.